What happens if a tree branch hits a power line during wildfire season? Let's take a look at our special utility simulator showing some distribution power lines running through a cute little neighborhood. But before we do that, safety first. Let's say a tree branch falls on this line. Let's say a branch falls on this line. Now, there's a little device on this power pole, and it senses when the branch is on the line, and it automatically turns off power. It's designed to wait just a little bit before it turns power back on. But if the device senses that the branch is still there when it turns the power on, it will automatically turn off power again. Under normal operating conditions, from about November to May, these devices get 2 chances to automatically restore power. During fire season, from about May, June to about October, November, they only get 1 chance to automatically restore power. And on days when wildfire risk is especially high, think like hot, dry, and windy, like a red flag warning day, they get 0 chances to automatically restore power because we send our crews out to go inspect the power lines to make sure nothing is still on them when we re-energize it. If something is still touching the line, every time that this device tries to turn power back on is another chance for this branch to spark. And because we're extra cautious during fire season, that can mean more power outages, which is frustrating. But we would rather have a temporary power outage than run the risk of a spark that could cause a wildfire.